Hello my beautiful people, how are you today? Welcome again back to my channel. I have missed you a lot and I have missed my channel. Actually, it's true that I took a small break because of personal reasons that they make me to be busy with different things and I cannot focus my channel. But hopefully I will be back and with more videos from now and weekly, hopefully. Thank you for watching. Today we have a hot, I think, topic because of what happened recently with Louis Vuitton. So June of 2021 and the breaking news. Wow, toiletry 26, 19 and 15, they're discontinued. What happened? Everybody, they're upset, everybody, they're talking, and there is a lot of opinions around. Many people, they have to say that it's the fault of resellers or the preload market that they make LV to take this decision and discontinue this really lovely piece. So I had a call before a few days from my SA and she told me, Marina, run, I have something for you. And I ran. So here I am with this very beautiful piece that, to be honest with myself, till now I was not really giving attention. It was not a piece that I will buy and keep it in my collection. For which reason? Because I thought that this accessory is just for traveling. And yes, Louis Vuitton, this is why they created this piece. This is a toiletry, supposed to be that you will use it for your travel, for your bag, for your toiletries, your makeup, and not as a bag. So here is the big subject. Is LV discontinue this bag because of the misuse of the owners? For my opinion, from the moment I buy a piece and I own it, I don't have to follow the guidelines of the brand and I have to use it just as a toiletry, as a pouch that I will use it with my luggage or for my makeup only. Yes, it's supposed to be that you have to use it like that, but why not? I never thought that I can use this bag with different way. And now that I got it, I try it, and I have already ordered and a few accessories because I want to really try how it's wearing. But even if I want to use it as a clutch without any accessory, I found out that it's really very comfortable and easy to use, just like that. And for my surprise, it's very spacious. I can have a lot of items. I can have my wallet, I can have my keys, I can have my daily essentials, what I use, and I just need to grab the bag, the clutch, the toiletry, and just go. Sometimes we really need something that we don't need to think what we will wear, which bag we will carry, or we don't want to carry something very big. So yes, why not? Before this, to be honest, I was using for my daily errands when I want to grab something and I want to run. my trues 23 as well. I have the trues 28. Yes, I have the 28, which it's a little bit bigger, and I don't think that I need for my daily essential. So this one really I use it as a travel pouch, and I use for my makeup. Now, this beauty have attract a lot of gossiping. So I thought that I need to listen all the opinions and then create my own opinion. And my own opinion is, why not? Means, is it possible that Louis Vuitton, they will just discontinue one piece just because of the misuse of the people? I don't think so. So a small research and some conversations with my essays, they make me to have a different opinion now. The thing is that Louis Vuitton, they start focusing, and they want to make their they want to maintain their brand as a premium, and they're focusing in pieces of leather of more high ticket prices. And we see that not only now that they discontinued the toiletry, we see it from before. I have 2-3 years that I'm watching the brand, and seriously, did you ever show that they create a new model of canvas monogram? I don't remember something recently that they have created. And this is the reason, I believe that this is the reason. They are just trying to focus in higher ticket, higher price items that they will be in leather or maybe the limited editions. Because if the brand wanted to discontinue the toiletry, they will, just because of the reason of the use, because we are making it crossbody or we are making it shoulder bag, they will totally discontinue the toiletry. But still they are creating. Yes, they are creating, but they are creating in different material. They are creating the limited edition. So I don't think that we should to be in panic or that, oh my God. Yes, the monogram, now it's true that it will be a very hot item. The prices will go very high in the pre-loved market. And that's a logic, and this is happening with all the items that they are discontinued. This is not the only one piece that is discontinued for the brand. So the same thing what we do with the monogram, actually we can do with any other toiletry. If the brand wanted to limitate the users from moderating the model, they will not, I believe, they will not create the toiletry in maybe limited editions, because the same thing we can do. We can just use one colorful chunky chain or one colorful or one pink. Like for example, I have here something from the newest limited edition. Easily I can convert this one to a crossbody, right? I can just use one beautiful chunky chain. I can order my insert. I can take one matching strap from Louis Vuitton again. I can maybe use a blue or the pink from the multi-pochette. So voila, I have created again my own crossbody bag. Very beautiful piece, by the way. We will talk about it in another video. I love it. So this is my point of view. Brand, they just want to increase the prices. They just want to discontinue some of the monogram cheap pieces. And this is the reason I think that we cannot find online anymore easy, very simple and very famous items like a Speedy 30 in monogram, Neverfull, all in monogram. So they're just trying to limitate the purchase and just push the leather goods that they have higher price, and of course the brand by this way will have bigger profit. For me, the reason why I purchased this one, it was just the collector anymore feeling that I have as well, because I'm always trying to keep and collect and have in my collection some of the pieces that they will be in history after that. So this is the reason why I bought it, and I want to keep it, because now anymore it's discontinued. But let's not say only the size 26. Let's think that the same thing is happening with the size 15, with the size 19. So all of them, and I believe that even the 19 size, that it's very popular, it will be harder for us to get it, because yes, the brand is creating toiletries in different materials and limited editions canvas, but not in the 19 size and not in the 15. So just keep that in your mind, people, and beautiful ladies, because I will suggest that you should try to find the other sizes. And I have also and I have follow some forums and some groups where there are very beautiful ideas that you can combine the size 26 with the size 19, and you can have a very nice how to describe like a multiple set item with a change, so you can have the bigger and the smaller size in front. I love it as an idea as well, and I will try to order the material so I can try it for myself and see how it's working. For that I will make a different video if I'm satisfied, or how it looks like. For now I have ordered my insert organizer from Samorga. I love it. They have the best quality for me, I believe, material, and they are fitting very nice in the bags. They are very good organizers. So I'm waiting for my Samorga organizer for the toiletry 26, and as well I ordered one chain. I want to see how it's working. I have seen it in the pictures, I have seen other ladies in different videos, but I want to try it by myself. So yeah, I don't think that we need to be in panic. If you are able to find still and work with your SA, so they will find for you one toiletry, because it's not orderable anymore. But yes, there are still stocks in Louis Vuitton. Here and there are a few pieces that for sure they will sell in some stores, and maybe you have the possibility to find it. If not, you can even contact me, because I have a few pieces that they will come. Of course, the price will be higher because we will have to add the shipping and maybe PayPal fees, but there is always a hope. I don't promise about that. I'm going to keep one piece for myself. So yes, just focus in monogram items and mostly small ticket items, because with the time Louis Vuitton, they will seriously discontinue these pieces. And this is not only my opinion, this is a fact, and this is something that many essays they told me after the informations what they have, and after the meetings what they have, and the trainings what they have, the informations what they are collecting from their head offices. So very simply, it's not happening just for the toiletry. We will see more pieces that they will start be discontinued, and we will reach to the point, I believe, that the monogram it will be available only for big and expensive pieces. I don't know if Louis Vuitton, they will create again new models or limited editions with a monogram. Hopefully, and I hope, because I love the brand and I love the monogram myself more than other pieces, and I always try to keep in my collections monogram pieces, because this is for me what Louis Vuitton is. And let's wait to see what's going to happen. Thank you so much for watching my video. This is my very poor and simple opinion after my talks with VIP Louis Vuitton clients, my essays, and this is what I'm going to expect. I'm going to expect that the brand will discontinue slowly and will limitate the production of monogram, especially in the small pieces. So don't be in panic. Don't listen here and there opinions of people that they say, oh, this is why, because you people, you're doing that, because you're converting the items, and because this is tacky, and it's not nice, and you should follow the guidelines of the brand. For me, I believe from the moment I'm buying one item, it's my own property and I can use it how I want to. If I want to use it as is, or if I want to use it and convert it and do it something else that in my eyes it's looking better, and I respect the people that they found the idea. I love it, seriously, I love it, and I will try it myself as well, and then in the next video I will show you how it's going on, and what I found, if I like it or no, how easy it is to wear or it's not, is it tacky finally or it's not, I don't know yet, I promise. So in the next video we will talk about it. Till that time, thank you so much for watching my video. If you like it, just please subscribe. I have so little subscribers. I'm a new YouTuber. I'm an old seller and collector of luxury, but the idea of YouTube was fresh. So support me if you want. Just click like and subscribe to my channel. More videos are going to come. Until that time, take care of yourself, and see you soon. Bye bye.